minisrty ya githomo kia iguru Beatrice Inyangala nianiriire ati kana niatariria ati thirikari niikwambiriria kurihira becha Arutwo aria maumite micii iria itehotete niguo kugacirithia githomo bururiini ta uria Mwandiki witu aratariria. Mwandiki mukaru wa minisrty ya githomo kia iguru Beatrice Inyangala nianiriire ati thirikari ica ikuhi niikwambiriria kuriha beca cia tuition kuri arutwo othe a universities aria maumite micii iria itehotete.
All values in the history of Kenya will be fully supported by the government. Will not pay anything for their education.
Na mutongoria wa bururiini Arutwo amukira riboti ino.
It is our president, His Excellency President 22.
Niguo guthondeka uthii wa nambere wa university cia bururiini.
Many developers looking to come in and partner with schools that have good balance sheet. So these are things we're going to start working with the council members and the entire management to look at areas of where we can generate revenue in schools. Conferences brings money. It brings money, particularly if you're bringing international students to the university. That's already money. You can also look at local sponsors. That's money to the university. So we'll just work together in ways.
Jerugee.